Alright, so we have discovered the problema. Okay, Honda Accord. First thing we had to do is take off the mud flap and take out some of these screws just to get it out. Now there's one more screw here. We had to take that one out, and it was kind of covered by the mud flap, so we couldn't see it. But once we get in there, we take it out, then you're on your way to getting this back bumper off, because look at it. Yeah, need a new one. Stay tuned. All right, so usually there's screws here, 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 and then there's like a hidden one behind here, and then one that's right up under here. Right up under there. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. So, you want to get the bumper off? This is where you start. Yeah, this is for all the people who think I don't really be working, or I don't know how to do none of the work. This video might be for some of you guys. So this person added some extra flair, and you can see the screws in here. This is not the regular setup, so we're gonna have to get these out. Well, maybe not. It will if we want to save it. So yeah, he's giving it to his friend. So anyway, yeah, I almost forgot. There's also a hidden screw here always, right? So we got some of the screws that attach it to the fender liner, and then this is the body of the car, a bracket, and the bracket is attached to the body of the car. So all the screws go through like 3 layers to keep the bumper on. And then there's always one right up under here, right here, that you gotta get, that keeps this nice and flush. So don't forget that one, because you cannot start to pull the bumper apart unless you loosen this one. This is a very important one. Once you get it out, you can pull this out, and there's a bracket here. Okay, almost forgot, there's one little we call these panel poppers. No, this is a panel popper. It's almost, I don't know, it's like a little screw, but you gotta kind of get in there and pop it out first. And it's a part of the mud flap, so you gotta kind of get this out to get the mud flap off. Apply some pressure. Yeah, get it out. It's coming out. I knew I was about to do that part. No, I don't want to kill y'all, all right? But I be jamming, man. I grew up around them playing this station. We do not listen to hip-hop or reggae or bashment in here. I know I'm Jamaican. We listen to, what is it? WBLS something. I don't even know what station that is, but it's the same station on the radio that we've had for like 15 years. That's it. Alright, and then we have these and these. Bumper should come off after that. Actually, maybe not. Usually, but because it was in an accident, sometimes the bumper is attached to something else further along the bottom. You'll have to check. I don't think so in this case. we'll see. Actually, let's just check. There's no other screw. Oh, yes, there is. You see it there, right there. Okay. We gotta pop those out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Underneath the Honda. Okay. It'd be better with another tool, but this works. I was gonna use this one, but it's not as good. To feel the love tonight. Allen key. Okay, DIY your own bumper. Now this could save you a lot of money, maybe $200 to $300. You never know, right? If you can do this, get your own bumper, put it on the car yourself, bring it to the shop, and we paint it, we'll save you some money, man. For sure. You know, hit us up. Thanks for watching. Keep tracking. Alright, so we have discovered the problema. Okay? So what we have here is it got hit on the body line of the frame, where, as you can see, there's seam sealer, piece of the other bumper in there of this, and the side panel, which begins here, as well as the rear body panel, is damaged. So I'm gonna ask for probably a replacement of this one and maybe try to repair this one. But we'll see how it goes. Also, there's damage to this.